is the advantage of the exploratory that it's like smarter in some way to search that space? And if so, like, how is it smarter?
Yeah, I mean, there's a big difference from running scripts and running our AI agent is that the AI agent actually tests the game like a human would play it, right? So it
Mm-hmm.
looks at the screen and it finds stuff like spelling errors and it finds stuff like, hey, like this button looks weird and stuff like this, right? So it's a very different kind of testing, right? But we're not really trying to replace what you can already script. We're trying to replace what you currently need to do manually, which is very tedious. And I think from that perspective, it's different. And the cool thing is it's smart, right? So like the agent, because it plays the game like a human would, can make its own plan, like to sometimes go into the menus and test stuff like this, or check out the privacy policies, or sometimes it just wants to play the game. You can guide it through natural language of what it should focus on, right? But the entire gist of this is that you essentially have a sense of intelligence that helps you identify bugs, right? Which is needed because if you just run a script and the script fails, especially in games, 95% of the time it's because the game was updated or something is different, not because it's actually a bug. And with our solution, you have a robust, intelligent bot that can adapt to changes of the game while still being on the lookout of, hey, something looks fishy here.
So let's get to then, you mentioned intent earlier. If we could go back to that just a bit, is explain a bit more what you mean by the intent problem from a design, or is this a bug or not? I'm assuming that it means, is this a bug or not? And so could you explain a little bit of that and why it's hard or not hard? Can't I just have the designers provide something that would make this super, super clear?
You can, right? That's the easiest way to do it, but no one likes doing stuff. So that's the inherent problem of testing, right? Testing is a tough space because it's a necessary evil, right? Like the value we provide, the biggest value is, hey, look, use us and you don't really need to worry or care about testing that much anymore. And if we then come and we're like, hey, can you do this and this for us? We're like, oh God, what is this? So yes, you can do that. Like in the end, I think the thing that we want to build is really just upload your game, receive bugs, and then the rest leave up to us. That's the vision here.